Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insights into the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of vibrant hair fashion with the best purple wigs for women available. The MUPUL Purple Body Wave Synthetic Wig. This ombre purple short body wave wig is not just a fashion statement, it's a confidence booster. Designed from dark to light, with 3 perfectly blended colors, it's guaranteed to turn heads and earn you compliments wherever you go. Crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly wig material and kaolin, this wig boasts a perfect blend that mimics the softness and shine of natural hair. Say goodbye to dull and shiny wigs. This one looks and feels incredibly realistic. But what truly sets this wig apart is its comfort. Thanks to the innovative elastic inner net, it's soft, breathable, and adjustable. You can customize the fit to your head size for maximum comfort throughout the day. Styling this wig is a breeze. Just run your fingers through the 26-inch long curls, give it a gentle shake, and voila! It looks as natural as can be. And don't worry about a few strands falling out, it's completely normal, especially with new wigs. Whether you're heading to a party, a date night, or just want to spice up your everyday look, this wig has got you covered. It's perfect for any occasion and any season, from daily wear to themed events like Halloween. So why wait? Treat yourself to the best purple wig for women on the market and unleash your inner fashionista with the MUPUL Purple Body Wave Synthetic Wig. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews.